Assalamualaikum dear viewers, Inami, this is Nahid. So viewers, first of all, I'll say you hi, hello, and how are you? I wish and hope all of my viewers are very good, very well, very fine, very safe and protected from dangerous, difficult, and worldwide coronavirus that we know COVID-19. So viewers, our previous video was celebrating Eid, and that video's previous video was Warden Syllable episode 2. And in this video, we are going to learn an interesting thing, that is how to learn English by step by step. This video is for you, means for the beginners of learned English. So don't skip this video, watch this full video. So let's get started. The first step is knowing alphabet. Means if you're the beginners of learning English, you have to know the alphabet. Means A to Z, these 26 letters you have to know. So let's go to the another step. The another step is knowing word. If you want to learn English, you have to know the English words. So many words, because you have to speak English, and for speaking English, you have to know the word. So different kinds of word, not a common word like A for apple, B for ball. You have to know many words. So let's go to third step. This third step is knowing correct spelling. Means the third step is knowing correct spelling. For you, means for the beginners. If you are the beginners in of learning English, you have to know the correct spelling. Means A, you have to spell the correct one. So A. If you say A like another way, the people can't understand. So you have to know the correct spelling. So that is three, means you have to know the correct spelling. Just apple, A-P-P-L-E. If you say like another way, the people can understand. So the third step is knowing correct spelling or word. So viewers, in your mind there is some question. I know that. What is the question? How will we get these steps? Means we wanna know the officially the steps describe. So if you want to know the describe, so don't worry, stay tuned with me, because in my channel I will upload this 7 steps, not 6, 7 steps, all steps described in 7 videos. So stay tuned with me. So let's go to the fourth step. The fourth step is knowing grammar. If you want to learn English, you have to know the grammar. So let's go to the fifth step. The fifth step is knowing correct structure. If you want to make sentence, you have to need the correct structure. So let's go to the sixth and seventh step. The sixth and seventh step is after learning English. If you know and if you learn these fifth steps before learning English, so it's 2 steps is for you after learning English. They are reading storybooks and speaking. When speaking means you have to speak other person who knows better English from you. And the sixth one means reading storybooks. You have to read many English storybooks. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you need the 7 steps described, so stay tuned with me. My channel will upload the 7 steps described. So thanks for watching. Tata.